Welcome to Module 3.2.1, Deleting and Inserting Rows and Columns. So to demonstrate where the rows and columns are being added or deleted, I'm just going to fill in some other information. So we have a nice 3x3 grid. If we wish to delete a row or a column, let's say we're going to delete this column. We can highlight column B, right-click on it, and delete column. Notice that the information that was to the right in column C is now in column B. We can do the same deleting this row. We highlight row 2, which contains 4 and 12. There's the 5 and 13 below it. We right-click on the number 2, delete row. Now the 5 and 13 are up here. We can also insert. So if we highlight column B again, we have the option to insert columns on either the left or the right. To make that more obvious, let's do column A. We can insert a blank column on the left. So now the 3, 5, 8, 13 have all been shifted over, or on the right. So now we have a gap. We can do the same thing with the rows. Insert rows either above or below. And we'll do above because I highlighted that one. Now if we do below, instead of just having one row between, we'll have 2 rows. We can also insert more than one or delete more than one. Here we have 5 columns highlighted. If we right click, we can insert 5 columns left or right. We can also insert rows and columns through our insert menu.